Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is so exciting because today we are going to the beach here in Boston. Yes, and we're so excited. All of us are going. I have my swimsuit under. We'll show you guys. She has her swimsuit under. My baby sister's already in a car, but she's coming out. She has her swimsuit. My dad might be swimming with us. I don't know if my mom's going because you know moms, they all be like, oh, I might go swim, but then they never do. Yeah, well, we all have our bubbles so we could do it in the sand, but I am so ready. We're gonna go have fun, swim at the beach, and yeah, and maybe buy some ice cream or buy some things. It's gonna be so much fun. Our parents are coming with us and we're gonna show you everything. By the way, can I just say I have a new phone? I love it so much. I'm filming on it now, so good quality. But enough talking, let's go.
I don't know. The water's moving.
Yeah, those are boats.
No, like where the water's moving over there.
Over
Is that
there?
a whale?
Is that a shark? Do you guys see that?
Oh my god.
That thing. We're almost here.
We're here.
Almost. We're looking for parking. Why am I showing you guys the cars? Look at here. Yes.
Tie-dye shirt, sunglasses.
That's the beach. That's the beach. You guys did not see it. Oh my gosh, what is wrong? That's the beach. I cannot believe it. Okay, we're parking, y'all. We'll see you guys when we get down. So yeah, we're walking around. There's a lot of stores and games and stuff. We're walking around to visit, and then we are going to the beach in the water. Yay, let's go in here. Can I get? Look at that! It's a vending machine. Can I do one of those games? Yeah. Yay! Yay! Okay, it's fine. So now she's playing, you guys. Look up. Yay! She's starting. You ready? Ready?
Oh no, we're not ready.
Woo! Go, 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 girl! Go, girl! Oh my guys, I was second place. Go! Twist the road thingy. Twist it. Twist, Fafi, twist. Go faster. You gotta win the race. Come on. Twist it, twist. You gotta twist. Twist! Oh my gosh! Twist the thing, Fafi. Twist, twist. Because it's a race. You gotta win. Twist, twist. Woo! Careful, careful. Go, go, go! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Twist, twist, twist. Twist. Woo! Twist, twist, twist. Twist, Fafi, twist. Twist. Keep going. You gotta win. Faster. Keep going. Twist, twist. Twist. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. A bird got you. Oh my gosh. What happened? Oh my gosh. A bird got you. Oh, that is good. Twist. She is on action, y'all. Come on, twist, twist. Woo!
7th place.
Good job. Yes. Good job. Hey guys, we have some tickets, but now we're gonna play. Well, I'm gonna try this game and see how that works, and we have some other games that we can try. And after all of that, we're going to the beach.
Go.
Yeah.
Go. Whoa. 100.
110. So we're done playing, and now, yeah, it was fun. And now we are going to the beach. Sorry, guys. But now we're going to the beach. Just like these stores and stuff. And we might come after, but because we don't want to go to the beach too late, so that it doesn't get too cold. But huh? I'm ready to go, but I think we should have went earlier because let's go this way. Because now it's a little bit colder, and my sister is like, I'm gonna say sensitive. I don't know, but she cannot go in the water if it's too cold. So let's go. Oh, there's the beach. Oh, the sand. Oh, I hate it. Oh my gosh. No. The sand is gonna get in your shoes. Oh, guys, ready? I'm stepping down. I'm in it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I forgot about the feeling of this. Oh my gosh. The sand. Take your sandals off? Sure, if you want to.
Hey guys, nous dans Boston toujours. Nous venons dans beach. Nous venons ben.
You too, Mom.
No, I'm not. Ouh, ça blague. Chaud en bas pied. Paradis à bien loin. Fafi, pas bien, non chérie. Il est en fait fret.
She won't stay long. She won't stay long.
Sable à chaud en bas pied, moins. Paradis à bien loin. Bien loin. Moi t'es perdu dans Boston. Ouh, regardez frère, regardez petits oiseaux. Et on va aller manger moun nan, oui. Ou bien on va manger là, on prend manger à nan et puis aller.
Like a sandwich or ice cream, ya pren.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you guys, we're done at the beach. Oh, I only have my shirt on, but we're done at the beach, and now we're going to watch this live band playing over there. Ah, sorry. Oh my gosh, you stepped on me. It's not my fault. She stepped on me and then she's like being so. No.
I'll kick it.
No.
Can we get that beach ball?
No.
Can we
Actually, yeah. This is the thing. Oh, they're actually making people dance. No. Wait, I gotta get a closer look. Better look.
Let's go.
Look at that. Look at it. Oh my gosh. What kind of car is that? Oh my gosh. And they look like they're chilling in it. So right now we're looking for food because people are hungry. We're hungry. So yeah, but yeah. Some more fun.